beautiful. That's really spectacular.
Wow. He doesn't care about dogs, he just cares about people. Here's the man. Picking out a nice coffee.
Yeah, we're trying to.
I need one.
Quit iced coffee. No, you can't quit iced coffee. I'm documenting because we're packing up and going. So, Philippines. Here he is.
Oh my gosh, get the. Hello, you can smell my dogs. Can you smell my dogs?
He doesn't care about dogs, he just cares about people. He's a people person. My mum's just leaving. I'm just going to say TTFN, but have a sticky at that. If you open the car up, he'll join you.
Oh, thank you, darling. Hi, how are you? Do you want some iced coffee?
He says, I just want to give you a big kiss.
Yeah, I'll take it.
All right, BG. When things aren't flat out, we'll do some more. You'll have to come and pick me up. I don't have a car.
Oh, can't you walk?
Yeah, come on, Warbie. Stay here. All right, I'll see you later, BG.
Researching midi lives. A lot smaller. I'm doing bone carving.
Well, you can do anything with this. Yeah, that's just the centre.
So what are these things for?
That's the speed. So you change the speed while it's running. That's as slow as it goes. And that's flat out.
You can actually pull it out on that, don't you?
No, it doesn't matter. Why? It doesn't. I mean, you can take it out, but it doesn't matter. It's not hurting.
So that locks in like doing.
Yeah, see how that locks in?
Okay, so what was fast again?
So the trick is to remember to put it down to slow before you finish, because otherwise when you turn it on, if you've got a big piece in there, you can be in trouble. Oh, I bought it second hand, but the bloke that had it, I don't think he'd used it. That's what I like to see. Thank you. Warbie, you're not moving out. Not yet.
Sure.
All right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you.
So if you look up in the future or any time, moving to the Philippines,
Okay.
that's what we're on YouTube. It is.
All right, thank you.
Alrighty. Thank you, sir.
Have a safe trip.
Alrighty, Warbie, come on.
Big job, thank you.
All right.
Once again.
Thank you, sir.
Hopefully I'll see you.
All right. You know where we are.
Yes.
All right. No worries. Okay. See ya. Everybody wants him.
Oh, yeah,
He's likable.
He's definitely like it.
See you later.
See you, buddy.
Alrighty. Thank you. Well, bit of a void. Yeah. How are you, Mr. Warbie? You've been having more fun. This is pretty cool. All these people coming to see me. All right. Let's knock off. Looking a bit empty in here. It's going to be a bit emptier still in a minute. Here's this fellow. Hervey Bay mowers and industrial. Wow. All right. Yeah, how are ya? No rest for the wicked.
Hello.
Hello, Warbie. Go on. Go. See ya. Thank you. Thank you very much.
All right.
Yeah, that'll make bloody life easier. I got an absolutely shot to bits back. I can't really.
Yeah, that's fine, yeah. I've got to be able to lift it up on you.
Warbie, go! Maybe put the light end up first. That thing's thirsty. Well, you wouldn't want to go around a corner too fast. Yeah, that's it. Wow. Big empty space. Oh, that workbench will be able to go over there. Yeah. Things are happening. They don't even give you a sticker, but I had one from previous times, so. Oh. Just so we don't get confused, although mine is slightly bigger, but still, at a glance, probably could have put that in a better spot. Yeah, put it in that thing. Yeah. Go.
Hi.
Thanks.
Wow, look at this. Two small ones. Wow, look at those. They're beautiful. That's really spectacular. Wow, look at you.
They'll all be on the market eventually.
Oh, look at you. Look at that purple. Oh shit, she's gone.
Yeah, we're making a video. You don't mind being on the video? Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, so we're documenting everything as we go.
Yeah.
So painting and
Gee, that'll be
landscaping and
for you.
yeah, I've been going there for more than 20 years.
Yeah.
So I've been there 2 or 3 times with Irene, but I've been there 6 or 8 times, well 4 or 5 times before that. I met Irene in Hong Kong. But we've been together for about 10 years and I just got annoyed with some of the goings on and said let's make our move sooner rather than later because it was meant to be like the 5-year plan.
5-year plan?
But it's become the 1-year plan. Well, it's probably become the few months plan.
Well, it doesn't matter as long as it works.
Yeah. So, and
Oh, yes. Absolutely, no problem. Well, have a wonderful wherever.
thank you. So if you look up moving to the Philippines, it's pretty easy to find.
No, this side's better. Oh, hang on.
You've
hold
been
on.
busy.
Yes. I've got a little section just on top of there.
I had a gentleman come yesterday to pick up plants. I was quite surprised, and he was ogling all the other plants too.
Oh, but they're just stunning when they're all like that.
Yeah, they've really boomed in that spot there.
Yeah.
So they were further along, and they didn't seem to do so well.
Thank you very much. You have
All
a
right.
wonderful trip. Are you excited about going home?
Yes. Probably it's not gonna happen until next year.
Yeah.
Well, you never know. The house
So
might sell.
We saw a really interesting video, and there's a thing called Philippine Loop,
Yep.
and we think we're going to do it. You get on a motorbike and you do the whole.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because we're planning on getting a bike anyhow,
Yes.
or if not 2, and a car for
Yeah.
when we need it. But yeah, so we're going to because we're definitely planning on seeing a lot of the Philippines, and we're going to see a lot of it on a bike. It's a way to do it.
Well, it'll be different from here, isn't it?
Yes, that's for sure. All right, take care, darling.
Thank you very much.
All right, okay, nice to meet you.
Enjoy your journey.
Thank you.
Hello.
My wife sent me.
Okay. All right, no worries at all. Yeah, you are. All right. You don't mind being on video?
No, not at all.
Oh, come for a walk. It's not that long ago I looked at it and all the bees were happy in there, and then I looked at it just a couple of weeks ago and they're all gone. Ah, that's right. He won't go anywhere. He'll come out and give you a big kiss in a minute. Here he is. There it is there. I've just got to try and work out how to get that post out of the ground, so give us a minute.
Do you make some videos as well?
Yeah, we're documenting our move.
Oh, right.
It's called Moving to the Philippines.
Oh, you're heading over to the Philippines?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
My wife's Filipino.
Yeah.
All right. It's been in here for probably 10 years, this thing, so. All right, put that there. All right, grab that and poke it in here, please.
Way down there?
Oh, whichever, doesn't really matter. There. Okay, through a bit. All right, push down. Put some extra body weight on it. Gee whiz. Bloody hell. All right, we'll just get this a bit closer to the, just lift for a second. All right, and down again. Yeah, it's moving. All right, let's find another block. He's always underfoot. He knows very well that there's things going on and he's not quite sure what it's all about. There we go. Oh, look at it. Bent my good bolt. All right. You gonna be able to get that in the car like that?
Yeah, I've got a ute with me, so I should be able
Oh, okay.
to
All
check
right.
it in the back. Do you want the star picket?
No.
No, you sure? Alrighty.
No. So that was, if you have a look at it, that's the original, and then this was added,
Yep.
and then that was added later on.
Right, okay.
So, but the propolis is what people often want because they can use it for, you know, setting up other hives and stuff because you can use it for sealing.
Yeah.
So, and there'll be honey in that. Well, there should be. It's not that long ago that it had activity. It's only a couple of months.
Yeah, right.
All right, have fun with it.
Thanks so much. Appreciate it.
No worries at all.
It's nice to meet
All
you.
right, okay. Thank you. Thanks for your patience.
No, thank you.
All righty.
I'm not going to hit anything on the way out.
No, you'll be right. You can leave the gate open. I'll get it in a tick. All right, thank you. Another thing gone. Hello. All right.
Cute dog. Where to put out?
Yeah, I recognise this lady.
I do remember.
So his mother too once during festival when I came to Sundak first year 2014, and she was sitting beside you and they're talking about that you're rocking.
If you go onto my YouTube channel and go back to the Filipino Christmas party, I'm sure you'll see yourself.
You can't hide from Warick. He's got everybody there somewhere.
Yeah.
Him once.
What are you doing? I don't like kisses from stinky dogs. No. No.
Yeah. I thought it just paid pay.
They want you to buy one over
That's
there.
what I thought. I said, oh my goodness.
Crazy, isn't it?
Bye.
Next week, bye.
Give me a Tagalog goodbye. It'd be good if I faced the camera the right way. I was facing it the wrong way. I have no idea what was going on with that SD card, but it seems to be working now. Let's see what happens. Job to do. Final welding job for this welder, I think. long pants, long sleeve shirt, apron, leather apron, welding mask. That's something you don't often see in the Philippines too. All this is so I can fix Mum's shovel yet again. Already welded it once. Years ago. And it's cracked again. Must be rubbish steel. Anyhow, I'll fix it again. Using my grandfather's trusty advice. Behind the plastic, away from the sparks and stuff. Yeah, Mum wants her shovel back, or spade. She's going to get it back. It's really ugly under there. Not showing you not showing you that side. All right, done.
Bye.